This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
Alright, great. So welcome to your Quick Start Guide for Publishers. In this Quick Start Guide for Publishers, we will provide you information on how to navigate through the Zeropark panel as well as how to start sending your traffic effectively. Now, let's talk about the Zeropark Rules. So Zeropark is an ad exchange where the highest quality traffic is offered to advertisers. So they accept direct and unique traffic and are not interested in rebrokered inventory. So to ensure first-rate traffic is allocated, the following measures are taken. First, initial filters are applied to remove traffic from unwanted IPs, domains, etc. Sold visits can be invalidated due to IP mismatches, iFrame usage, or other reasons. The compliance team scans the traffic in search of bot and suspicious activity. And the account management team monitors the quality, profitability, and general performance of sources. This is all done in effort to make sure that they establish a fruitful cooperation with the publishers. So in this guide, we're going to break down 5 steps. Step 1, provide account details. Step 2, explore the dashboard. Step 3, set up ad tags. Step 4, view transactions. And step 5, check for